Hi guys, my name is Evelyn Kim, and for today's video, we'll be going over Wylock's 3rd grade math curriculum. Topics we'll be going to cover in today's video include finding missing numbers, multiplication, addition, and word problems. Let's get started with our first topic, finding missing numbers. Number 1 provides us with two equations. 12 minus 6 equals 6. 6 plus 6 equals 12. And then it gives us a final equation, 12 minus what equals 6. Well, we know that 12 minus 6 equals 6 and 6 plus 6 equals 12. So that only means 12 minus 6 equals 6 because these three equations are all interrelated. Number 2, 2 plus 3 equals 5, but 5 minus 3 equals 2. Therefore, 3 plus what equals 5? Based off these two given equations, we should know that 3 plus 2 equals 5. Number 7, 4 plus 6 equals 10, and 6 plus 4 equals 10. And it gives us the final equation, 10 minus 6 equals what? Well, we know, based off the two given equations, 4 minus 6 equals 10, and 6 plus 4 also equals 10. Therefore, 10 minus 6 equals 4, and we could double check that by actually subtracting it. 10 minus 6, we borrow. 10 minus 6 equals 4. Number 8, 32 minus 20 equals 12, and 20 plus 12 equals 32. Therefore, what plus 20 equals 32? Based off the two given equations, we know that 12 plus 20 equals 32, and 32 minus 20 equals 12, so that only means 12 plus 20 equals 32. Second topic is multiplication, and it's asking us to multiply the numbers below. Number 1, they give us the equation 2 times 6. 2 times 6 can also be referred as two groups of 6. Let's draw it out so it's easy for us to multiply. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is our first group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We now have two groups of 6 circles. Now let's add it all together to find our final answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Two groups of 6 equals 12, so that only means 2 times 6 equals 12. Number 11, 12 times 2. 12 times 2 can also be referred as 12 groups of 2. Let's draw it out. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. We finally have 12 groups of 2 circles each. Now let's add it all together to find our final answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. If 12 groups of 2 equals 24, that only means 12 times 2 also equals 24 as well. Our third topic is addition, and it's asking us to add the numbers below. Number 1, 65 plus 13. I'm going to align the numbers vertically so it's easy for us to add. 65 plus 13. 5 plus 3 equals 8. 6 plus 1 equals 7. So our final answer for 65 plus 13 equals 78. Number 2, 30 plus 35. 5 plus 0 equals 5. 3 plus 3 equals 6. So 30 plus 35 equals a total of 65. Number 11, 6 plus 12. I'm going to align the numbers vertically once again. 6 plus 2 equals 8. Bring down the 1. Our final answer for 6 plus 12 equals 18. Last but not least, number 12, 40 plus 20. I'm going to align the numbers again. 0 plus 0 adds up to 0. 4 plus 2 adds up to 6. Therefore, 40 plus 20 should equal a total of 60. Our last topic is word problems, and it's asking us to solve the problems below. Number 1, Sally has a total of 15 baseball cards to sell. She's able to sell 9 of the cards to Sammy. How many cards does Sally have left to sell? Based off the information given, we know that this is a subtraction problem. Why? Because she sold 9 of her cards to Sammy. Therefore, we need to subtract 15 minus 9 to find out how many cards she still has remaining. 15 minus 9. We're going to set up the equation vertically. We can't subtract 5 from 9, so we borrow from the tens. 15 minus 9 should equal 6 because 6 plus 9 also equals 15, and 9 plus 6 equals 15. Therefore, Sally has 6 cards remaining out of the 9, out of this 15 she had from the start. Number 2, Mark has 15 buttons. He buys 6 more from the store, but loses 3 of them. How many buttons does he have left? The keywords buys and loses indicates that this is a two-step problem. First, we need to add 15 plus 6 to find the amount he had after buying 6 buttons. 15 plus 6. 5 plus 6 equals 11. 1 at the bottom, 1 at the top. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Therefore, Mark had 21 buttons after buying 6 from the store. But then he loses 3 of the buttons. Therefore, we need to subtract 3 from 21. 21 minus 3. We can't subtract 1 from 3, so we're going to borrow from the tens place. 2 becomes a 1. 1 becomes a 11. 11 minus 3 equals 8. We bring down the 1. Our final answer is 18. After Mark bought 6 buttons from the store and loses 3 of them, he has a total of 18 buttons. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you have a wonderful day.